Hi everyone, my name is Albert, the service manager of Ocean Wave Estate and Garden. I help clients navigate the buying or selling process. That means finding great properties, meeting with clients to understand their needs, and even going on property inspection with them. Yes, I love it. Seeing a client finding their dream home is incredibly rewarding. I help make the real estate experience smoother and less stressful. Plus, this team is fantastic. We all share a passion for helping people achieve their goal. Looking for us? We are just at the road, Chillat Plaza, shop 16. Come, we'll be waiting.